In this tutorial, I will share how to create content using artificial intelligence without the costs that we have to spend. First, we can use the help of ChatGPT to get voiceover script. You can see the description. Open Chat, then paste the text in the description and wait for the results. Then use the voiceover script provided by ChatGPT to create a text prompt to the video. Start from the first paragraph. Use some of the text from the first paragraph that can describe the incident according to the story that will be conveyed in the first paragraph. Add the main characters to the text that will be displayed on the video, namely Lily Orange Cat and a kind old woman named Mrs. Jane. Now we have a prompt to generate text to video. Back to ChatGPT. Move all voiceover script to MS Word. Delete unnecessary text parts when all of this text will be converted into voice. Next, open the halooi.com website. Select Generate Text to Video. Use the prompt we created earlier to create a video of the first paragraph of the voiceover script. Use the same prompt to create a video of the first paragraph so that the duration of the voiceover is the same as the duration of the video. If necessary, you can change the prompt a little so that the results are better, but do not change the story from the first paragraph. The result is a 5-second video. If the duration of the voiceover is 25 seconds, it means we need 5 videos. Next, open the app.clipchamp.com website. Select Text to Voice. Copy the title and the first paragraph. Paste into the text column and save. The duration of the resulting voice is 25 seconds. So, in the first paragraph, it takes 5 videos. Select Import Media, then upload 5 videos that we made. Add to video layer. Then export. Do the same process for paragraphs 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then combine all the video results. Add music. You can also add sound effects such as kitten sounds, traffic sounds, and others by using text to sound effects on the 11labs.io website. Lily the Orange Cat. In a cozy little home nestled on a quiet street, there lived an orange cat named Lily. Her days were filled with warmth and love, thanks to her kind companion, Mrs. Jane. Together, they shared countless moments of joy, sunbeams streaming through the window, gentle caresses, and the sweet sound of laughter. Lily was not just a pet. She was family.